Hey there, fans. Take a look at my new toy. This is a Windham Weaponry SRC sight ready carbine. I bought these separately, put them on. These are dagger defense aluminum flip-up sights, backup sights. I have a red dot on the way. This is 7.62x39, the AK round. So basically we got the good guy gun that shoots the bad guy bullets. But I'm very heavily invested in 7.62x39, so I have been waiting for the ARs to get the feed and firing issues straightened out. Mostly it was feed. They have, and now we're ready to go. This is all AR-15. The only difference is the caliber, which they come in all kinds of different calibers now. I am going to get first shots going on here. And while I'm at it, I want to mention this came from, am I even in frame? This came from Classic Firearms. I ordered it on, I think, December the 12th, and it showed up on Monday. This is Wednesday, the 23rd. Yeah, 2 days before Christmas. So Santa brought me my nice gift in time to celebrate. It came with one mag. This is the C Products Duramag. This one will drop free empty, which is kind of critical if you're talking go-to-war guns and things like that. I ordered 2 Pro Mags, which do not drop free empty, but we're going to see how they feed. I'm going to try to do some sight in with the new sights and get the first shots in at the same time. So let's see if I can do something here, and we'll just see how it goes. So we're going to start out with the C product, the mag that the gun came with. We are hot. Let's see if I can find a comfortable place for this to sit. Things look okay. Not too bad on the recoil. Oh, locked open. Oh, I did 3 round mags. Okay. And to demonstrate, oh, you little, call me a liar. There, that shot's free. Okay, so we're empty. Just so Karen and Safety Sally are happy, the gun's clear now. I'm going to go down range and see what we got. It's going to take you off. We'll just walk you right down here. Where are we at? Take the skull crushers off here. It's about 26, 27 degrees Fahrenheit out here today. Huh, doesn't look like the sights are too far off. Let's see, there's 2, I think. Maybe. Well. Okay. No, those aren't hits. That would have gone clear through. So we're not even on the board. Yeah. Alrighty, so we're going to have to try something else here. Wish I had a bore sighter. I don't know where mine is right now. Okay, be back in a bit. Okay, so those marks, thank you, those marks were actually hits. So the sights aren't that far off. I did, however, now I got to clean my glasses, took a couple more shots with one of the Duramags, and I got some failure to feed issues. 2 of them out of 3 shots. Not good. I think all 3. So I'm going to try this other Duramag and see what happens. First, I think I'm going to do a little sight adjustment. And, yeah. We'll try 2 clicks. I got to get the sight adjustment tool out. And I think I got to lower the sight to raise the point of aim. Yep, thank you. Alrighty. I'll just leave that. Let's get the tool out. The gun's clear, Sally, so be cool. Alrighty, here we go. There we go. So, I think righty-tighty, so that should push it down. Get over here where I can get in the sun and see. Okay, we'll see what happens there. Get that to stay put. And I think I finally figured out what I'm going to do with my little tin can here. Come on. Bought this at a hobby shop in Ukraine, where my wife likes to buy her beads and stuff. I think that'll work just fine for a little tool bag. There, that'll work. Let's see how that works. Okay, yeah, after I clean my shades off, after dropping them in the snow. It's always something, isn't it? As you know, if I don't have glasses on when I shoot, Karen's going to have a conniption fit, isn't she? Hopefully I don't get snot all over the lenses. That would be bad, wouldn't it? Alright, that ought to work. Speaking of which. Alrighty, Duramag, 3 rounds. Let's see what we can see. No, it's in my pocket. That would explain it, huh? Picked up the first round, that's always good. Alright, let's see if I can get this to work. That looked like it cycled. That one cycled. Alright, safety on, chamber's empty. Thank you. There. Alrighty, let's see what happens now. Let's go have a look. Well, alright. The best I made, I had to move my target from here over to here. There's a hit. There's a hit. There's a hit. So I'm starting to get in there. But these sights, they're not marked on which way to turn them, and I haven't done this in a while. So there's another hit up high there. So not getting great groups even. And of course I don't have my splatter targets, so I can't really see anything until I get down here. You know, a moment of man at 25 yards. I don't know what that's going to look like from 100 meters, but we'll see. I don't think that's ever going to be considered a sniper rifle, but that's okay. I'm going to take a couple more shots, just see if I can't hit the plates, you know, just for funsies, and see what happens there. Move this thing out of the way, and well, maybe I'll set that up, see if I can hit that too. But the front sight is really hard to pick up even when I'm focusing on it, because it's real thin. So I think I'm going to get some white nail polish and put on that, and we'll see what happens. But it shoots good. The recoil's very manageable, a lot less than you know, a regular AK, because you do have that buffer and spring that allows the bolt, so it takes up a lot of the recoil coming in. It seems to be set real good for the gas system. That there's a tube that comes back in here from the back of this block, and it comes in here and it gets picked up. There's a I'm not going to take the gun apart, but exhaust gases from each shot is what drives the bolt back. It's gas operated or gas impinged, or however you want to say it. But let's just see if I can ring some steel here. You hold on a second, I gotta load up the mag. Alright, there we go. Alright, I got 5 shots. Let's see if I can hit a plate. Yeah. Helps you put one of these in, doesn't it? There we go. Works better with a bullet in the chamber. There it is. There's 2. 4 out of 5. I got to hold slightly to the left because I don't have that rear sight set quite right. But I got the ring some steel. I'm going to load that up and see if I can't... where's my plates? There they are. Let's see if I can give you a thrill. You hold on a second. There's 4. Let's go 5. Alrighty, we're going. Hate it when that happens. Okay, safety on. Put that round back in the magazine. There we go, rug some steel. Oh, the joys of being a one-person operation. I got all finished up, was doing the outro, and when I was doing my editing I realized I was still zoomed in from the plate shot, so all you saw was my hands. So anyway, the outro is the Windham Weaponry SRC sight-ready carbine from Classic Firearms. They did a bang up job for me. I was able to hit steel, as you can see. I have to hold a little bit to the left because I'm still trying to figure out which direction to go with this, but we'll get that figured out anyway. I enjoyed my day out in the sun. It was actually pretty comfortable, that even at 26, 27 degrees. I love these things. I like the idea. I can't wait to get my red dot on. I'm looking forward to having these sighted in, and then I'll have a pretty good gun. I don't know if we'll ever be precision shooting with this thing. It could be the gun, it could be the ammo, who knows. But I had fun shooting. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle through the process. But anyway, we got it in time for Christmas. Got to hit some steel and semi-sighted in, and life is good. Hope you enjoyed. See you later, folks. Bye.